You Love Tweet Tweet here, also known as nafartue Nefertiti. Really happy that you guys joined me today. Please turn on your notifications so that you can see what I'm doing next with my green hair. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. There's quite a few things that push me to want to do this wash and go, because normally I don't do wash and goes because I've had a bad experience when I did my first wash and go years back. My hair was really tangly, but yeah, I've had trouble in the past basically when I've tried to do wash and goes. So today I'm going to try another jab at it because I watched a few videos and asked a few questions to different girls on there where the wash and goes were working for them, because it's not like it's a hair texture thing. Like, my hair texture should be awesome for a wash and go. So I'm going to go ahead and give it another shot with this green hair. And the first thing you have to do is wet your hair and detangle it. So I'm about to go soak my hair. Alright you guys, so I'm back now. Who wants to know how my nipple rings are doing? My hair is now all wet, as you guys can see. The color of my green hair, or rather like a mermaid blue hair, is really like staying really good compared to like the other reviews that people have gave when they dyed their hair. They feel like their hair faded with the Adora dye. Mine hasn't, because I don't do a lot of shampooing to my hair. I do a lot of co-wash and vigorous scalp scrubs. So that's why the dye has stuck to my hair so well. I have to take care of it properly. Can't do all that shampooing like normal girl, okay? No. There, now we're just gonna go ahead and section off our hair because actually I was watching a video. I don't remember the girl's name, but she's Trinidadian, and she was basically showing like how she does her co-washes, and she was showing how she sections off her hair. It just makes it easier for her. So that is the tutorial that we're going to be following today. Like, I'm going to be following what she did, see how it works out for me. Me and her hair texture was very similar, like spot on. I don't know if it's a West Indian thing or not, but our hair was spot on, very similar, so I think it's gonna work. I got these enormous bubbles from Walmart. I really like them for like thick hair because they really work to keep the hair from snagging, and it keeps it in place, especially if you have thick hair. So I'm gonna do my sections. And I made some homemade gel, so I'm not going to be using gel from the store. I wanted to take my own tip, because in my last video where I was doing my two puffs, my slick down 2 puffs video, I was expressing to you guys with caption, because I wasn't talking in that video, about the whole eco-styler situation. And, you know, if you're gonna be extremely particular about your hair products, you know, you should just take it all the way and just go ahead and just make it yourself, eat right, you know, all that good stuff. So I made a lot of this flaxseed gel, and I made a lot because both of my babies have locks, and I'm going to want to retwist their hair eventually, so I just made a whole lot within the next 3 days, because it only stays good for 3 days. So we're gonna start off with the back section of the hair. I already detangled my hair, but I'm just combing it just once more. And this is something that definitely takes patience. This is not a hairstyle for the girls out there who don't want to put any time into their natural hair. If you want to put any time into your natural hair, just like wear a bun or something like that. So I'm taking my Canon deep treatment conditioner. This is not a leave-in conditioner, this is a deep treatment conditioner. And that's the same thing that other girl did. She didn't use leave-in conditioner, she used the actual treatment conditioner. And I can see why, because the deep treatment conditioners are heavier and they keep the hair moisturized longer, and they're just heavier. You know, for my hair texture, I need heavy hold. From there, I'm gonna go in with my flaxseed gel. Keep this hair separated. From there, I'm gonna go in with my flaxseed gel. Alright, let me watch the video before I fuck it up.
Leave-in conditioner so that my hair doesn't get dry quickly.
know what else.
So next I'm taking my Cocoa Behold Ultralight Defining Gel.
Okay.
And this is the same gel I used in my first impressions wash and go video. And as you guys know, I love this gel. So I'm taking it to define my hair. Break this product through my hair first and then clip a small section away and work on the other section in that section. So there's this particular technique to shingling. If you guys aren't so familiar with it, I literally just take each single curl. You can make the curl as small or as big as you want. So I'm slowing it down to show you. I'm literally just taking apart a curl from the other section, smoothing the entire length of that curl down with my fingers and letting it go, and my hair just curls up. But basically what that does is it smooths the entire curl, so there's no frizz, there's no fluffiness, there's nothing. It just is really defined and frizz free. So as you can see, my hair is extremely curly. I particularly take my diamond brush because that is gonna do.
So I'm gonna change it up because my hair is short. Okay, my hair is short. I'm not doing that shingling thing because last time that's what caused my hair to have so many knots in it. Right now I'm just gonna run the gel through my hair. I'm not gonna do that shingling thing because I've done that in the past and I've already did it on this section. So I'm running my hand through my curls and that's giving me a more defined look. Everybody's hair is different, so it's not going to work the same on everybody. So you have to find what works for you. And in the past, I've known that the shingling technique for me was not the move. And I'm going to just run my hand through my curls. So that's what we're going to do. My curls are still popping. My curls are still here. They haven't gone anywhere. A lot of the times when you dye your hair, people say RIP to your hair, RIP to your curls, your hair is going to fall out, yada yada yada, and that's just not true. You have to know how to take care of your hair. If you don't know how to take care of your hair, then yes, of course, the bad will happen and your damn hair is going to fall out because you're not taking care of it. You know, you have to make sure that you take care of your hair and that you dye your hair in the right way. I was on Instagram and I was reading a thread from, I think it was the natural hair community, and a girl had asked them a question, and I think that it's really sad because this woman actually took all the right precautions of dyeing your hair. People always say, oh, go to a professional, they're gonna do it right, go to a professional. Obviously she must not have done enough research on whoever it was that she went to, because she said like once she left up out of that place, she had no curl in her hair. All her curls were gone, and that's just not normal. Some people say, oh, everybody's hair can't take bleach, but no, it shouldn't be like that. Like there's a certain, there's degrees to it, there's volumes, you know? So if you just take, you know, natural hair is a special case, and you shouldn't go to a hairdresser to get your hair colored. You should go to a colorist, somebody who has studied color. You know what I'm saying? You can't be so hasty to just go get your hair colored. You need to know what you're doing, and you need to do your research. You know, I've been researching colored hair for years, since I was a teenager. I'm 25 right now, so I'm really good at coloring my hair. I'm not about to be walking around. I've had a bad experience, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to be walking around here looking crazy. You have to make sure that you're going to the right person, or else you're gonna end up feeling really irritated that you even did that, and then you're gonna be scarred, and then you're never gonna want to do anything new with your hair anymore. And you know, no, you should feel comfortable to do that. We're in 2018. You can freaking bleach your hair and still have fucking curls afterwards, okay? And there's so many examples of that. Like there's so many YouTubers on YouTube that have dyed their hair. Taryn Guy is one of them. You know, she's done her hair blonde many times and her hair was still popping. You know, you have to take care of your hair. There's another girl, I think her name is Queen Sue. No, I don't really, I think I follow her on Instagram. I really don't agree with how she dyes her hair. Like, it's pretty messy to me. It's not like, I wouldn't do my hair the way she does hers, but it's working for her. She obviously found a method that works for Queen Sue. Even though me, Nefertiti, I wouldn't do it, it's working for her. So she still has her curls. Her curls are still popping. She's figured out the formula, you know what I'm saying? And that takes time. patience. So we're now at the last part of the front. Well, not really, because we have this other side to do, but we're now at the top of my hair where like my bangs would be, and I'm just moving the product throughout my hair. First step is leave-in, second step is gel, last step is oil. You're gonna want to make sure that your hair is wet and damp for this style. So that's what we're doing, moving the product through our hair. You gotta move quick because you don't want your hair to dry. We're gonna work on this side, and I'm gonna go wet it because it's not wet enough.